Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to create a new project where you will write your name and it will tell your mood for today. So first of all let's import random because it will tell randomly. Name equals input, enter your name. Then we write moods equals happy, then sad, then angry, then sleepy, then just write chill. So now let's write print name your mood today is, so it tells your mood for today. So for example, if a person is sleepy, it will randomly say sleepy. Random dot choice moods. Yep, now let's save it up, run it. Your name Renard. Today your mood is chill. So okay guys, this is all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.